All right, here we are at 1931 Laurel Road here in Winter Park, Florida, 32789 in the city of Winter Park. This is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 3,150 square foot home over here in the Charmont area of Winter Park. As you can see, this is the brick line roads here. A lot of new homes being built, especially the one straight across from us right over there. So very desirable part of Winter Park. Right over there is Quail Hollow community. This is a 2006 build, as you can see. Beautiful home. I'll walk you on the right side over here. You got a nice long driveway that goes all the way back to the 2-car garage and pool on that side. Again, good parking up here in the front. You've got a buried gas tank there in the front for propane for the inside as well as the pool. Here is the other side of the home. Tankless water heater that you can see down there on the side. This home was built in 2006. Again, very desirable part of Winter Park. Right over here by Corinne and all the nice shops that they have. Beautiful brick porch, irrigation. They've even got the little lines to the potted plants, so you don't have to worry about watering that. Termite bond here around the house as well. Nice beautiful tree cover. All right, we'll head on in. It's got a very traditional feel as well to the home. Right when you walk in, this really nice foyer. To the left, you have the sitting room. Beautifully tall ceilings, nice woodwork here on the trim, crown molding, and these are wood floors. And to the right is your formal dining room. And you can see the butler's pantry is right here, which we'll go over there in a second. Let's continue to walk forward. I'm gonna turn you around just so you can see the front door. Directly to the right, to the next to the stairs, you've got your coat closet, storage closet. These are all solid wood hard doors. Very nice brass, solid handles. So again, nice baseboards, oversized, very well thought out. This is the half bath right here that has a pocket door. And obviously you've got the staircase upstairs. We'll continue here in the kitchen and in the living room. Surround sound set up in here, obviously looking out to the pool. Great little space in here. We flip around. You see the wide open kitchen coming out to the living space. A lot of counter space, a lot of cabinets. Nice gas range, 6 burners with the hood over it, which is great. So again, if you're cooking here, you're wide open to everybody sitting in the living room, which is awesome for entertaining. Plenty of cabinet space, as said. Double oven and microwave. Nice prep area right here. Even more storage going underneath it. Double basin sink. Nice window over. Come here to the butler's pantry. Have the wine fridge, additional storage, bar area. And then right here is your washer and dryer. And that is also on a pocket door as well. Let me turn around just so you can see. Obviously, that takes us out back to the living room, the formal dining room and the front door. Head back through the kitchen. Again, more storage space over here. You've also got a nice eat-in area for breakfast. All the doors and windows face out of the pool. A lot of great natural light. We'll head over here to the master bedroom. Again, nice tall ceilings in here, the crown molding. This room has surround sound in it as well. Really great natural light coming in. Come here into the master suite. Transition into the tile. Nice dual valve, glass shower. You can see that slides open, plenty of space right there. Nice soaking tub with a great window right there in front of it. That's all glazed over for privacy. You've got a his and hers dual vanity and sink. Nice large mirrors. Obviously here is the toilet. And we go into the master closet. Plenty of storage. And that's obviously storage underneath of where the stairs are. So plenty of storage. Back out through the master bath. And right behind here, you've got a little storage linen closet behind the door as well. And again, all of these doors on the sides have the French doors going out to the pool area, which we'll look at after the house. Nice hardwood floors all the way up. The stairs. Just give you a view back down the stairs, and as we're coming out, very nice wood banisters. This, I believe, is laminate upstairs and not wood. Yes, it is. Here is bedroom number 1 on the upstairs. In the closet. Nice walk-in closet. Little Jack and Jill bathroom, which is nice. Nice full glass enclosure. Nice oversized tub as well. And then plenty of storage. Bedroom number 2. Then you've got the again, nice sized bedrooms, plenty of space, good windows. So again, Jack and Jill, this is where we came into. That was the bedroom we came in this way. Then you've got the nice loft space up here. Bedroom number 3 upstairs. Larger room, obviously, than the 2 kids' rooms that we just saw. Looks like they're using this as a guest. To a nice walk-in closet. That obviously has the bathroom here attached to it. Nice tile work all the way to the top. Again, these are pretty high ceilings for a second story, so they did a good job with that. Here's the loft, the 2 bedrooms, and plenty of space up here. And then you've got a flex office space up here, as you can see. And this does get shut off with pocket doors, so it is a nice office space. It does have a window in it, which is great. HVAC closet, which looks like it shows it's a 2022, which is great. Yep, installed in May of 2022. And that is the house. I will add this onto the back of that video, but here I'll walk you outside. So full tour of the home, come through to the backyard. All party board, all hardy board on the outside, as you can see. Nice covered space. This goes to your breakfast nook, eat-in area. Obviously these two doors go to the living space and that goes to the primary. Let me step back here so you can see. We got a really nice space for entertaining, sitting, all enclosed here with the screen porch, which is great. Pool looks like it's gonna need resurfacing down the road. I don't see any chipping or anything like that, but you can start to see the surface. It's getting a little older. Here is the side of the house going towards the garage. Two-car garage, nice overhead storage. Pretty standard in here, so you can see everything. And then we flip around here, so you got a little bit of green space back here. You do have a little shed on the other side of the garage, which is nice. There's your pool equipment and everything. And here is your two-car garage on this side. On top of your two-car garage, you've got the solar heater for the pool. And there is the full driveway.